Alright, so I'm gonna get this trailer into door 4. It's painted in the ground right here, and I will have to drop my trailer once I'm in the dock. Just a little bit. I want to make sure I have clearance on this side to swing around the tractor. Alright, it's looking good. Inside some more, so that's the trailer coming over to the left. And I'm gonna line up the corner of my trailer with the rubber that is on the dock. So that's the corner of my trailer there at the door, by the door, and I'm gonna line it up in line. I'm gonna go just in line with that rubber on the dock. Alright, there it is. It's lined up. So I'm gonna do a pull forward to straighten up. Pull forward, straightening it out. Finish it with a left because I want my trailer to go to the left just a little bit. So I just want to line up the corner of the trailer with that rubber. Alright, I am on it. Now let's see the other side. So the other side has to be lined up with the corner also. Come over to the left, open up the gap. See that? Turn to the left, I open the gap. Now I can see the rubber. So, counter, because I want to be on that rubber. I want to be on that rubber with my the corner of my trailer. There we go. There we go. It's even now. It's even. Pull up just a little and then bump it. Make sure it's evenly straight. I want it to be flush on there, so. Go. Now let's go back there and take a look. So when I say the corner of my trailer, I'm referring to this right here. This is the corner of the trailer. So this is the corner. I line it up with the rubber, and that's how it is. And they're just gonna lift it up and go and put it inside. So it's good. Now at this location we have to drop our trailer like these guys here. So I'm gonna pull out from under it now. Looks good. So I'm gonna give the landing gear, raise it up some more. I don't want to have no issues trying to get under it when it's when the load is on there. See what I'm talking about? So the trailer drops onto the tire. Remember, as I was detaching the tire, the apron rub onto the tire. So when the load go on there, I don't know if it's gonna be able to go under there. Maybe I could use these woods, you know, to give the landing gear, put it under the landing gear, that way the front won't be this low. Or I could put the wood on here and then get under it, with the wood. It will raise the trailer and I will be able to hook up. Maybe I can try this instead. But yeah, so I'm gonna put these back right here. Maybe they're there for a reason. So we're gonna see how it turns out when we get loaded. Hey, I'm good. Good, right? I'm good, that's right. I dropped the trailer? Okay. Alright. Alright guys, so see you on the other side when I will have to reconnect to the trailer and how it will turn out. So this is what I was saying, the apron of the trailer is on the tire. Probably I can just still go under it, you know? But yeah, it's not too bad. It's just gonna rub a little bit. And I was trying to see how the wood would work. All right, bring down the airbag. Alright guys, so this is what I'm gonna do, because if I try to go under there, the tire is gonna rub onto the apron. So what I'm gonna do now is put this wood under here and that side, so the airbag is down. So I think that's the purpose why they have these wood chocks sitting by the dock, because the pavement has a depression in it. So I'm gonna tell John to lift the airbag up. Alright, lift the airbag up. So this should lift the trailer. Alright, so now the tire can clear the apron. Come back. Come back. All right. Wait. Down with the airbag. Take the woods out. Go on this side. Take the wood from under it. Now the tire is clear, and see the apron is sitting on the fifth wheel plate. Alright, come back. You bring the airbag down? Still stuck. It is stuck. Shoot, so what am I gonna do? Hold on, lift the air back up. Eh? The chance? The landing gear? Yeah. No. Lift the air back up. Lift it up. Lift it up. Yeah. Yep. Yep. There we go. All right. All right. I don't know why they have us drop the trailer. You know? Alright, so it's locked in. It's locked in, guys. And